Hi everybody, and a very warm welcome to Susannah's Kitchen, wishing you a very Merry Christmas. And thank you for choosing to click on this video. So we make everything in the Ninja Foodi here, and Christmas is no exception. Of course, I don't expect you to be making a whole Christmas dinner for like 10 people using just one Ninja Foodi, but these recipes aren't just for Christmas Day. These recipes are for the full festive season. So I've got you covered with everything from party nibbles, starters, main courses, desserts, drinks. I've got the full works going on this December, so I really hope you enjoy these videos. Don't forget to give me a like below and subscribe to my channel as well. So today's recipe is an exclusive cookbook recipe. I've got a brand new Christmas cookbook that I have just released over on my website, which is www.susannahskitchen.uk. So go over there and grab yourself a copy. Now you don't need to worry about saving this video for today's recipe because there'll be a QR code in the cookbook which will link back if you do want to watch the recipe video again. And all my recipes are super achievable and of course really delicious. So I hope you enjoyed today's Ninja Foodi recipe. Let's go and start cooking. A hot buttered rum is perfect on a cold winter's evening and a lovely way of finishing off a meal as well. So we start off with sear and saute, and into our Ninja Foodi pot we put our butter. While the butter's melting, we'll make our spiced sugar in this bowl here. So you want to use some light brown sugar. Into that, I want some ground cinnamon. And then also some nutmeg. And let's give that a little mix together. That is going to flavour it so nicely. Now that our butter has melted, we want to add in the sugar and spices. Give that a mix and let that melt together. Oh, look at that. I'm making this just for 2 people, so it doesn't look like a lot. Obviously, you can double up the quantities, triple up, whatever you want to do. That is gorgeous. Just stirring in the rum now. And to create your hot drink, you add in the boiling water and give this a good stir. And there we have our hot buttered rum. It's sweet and subtly spiced and really delicious.